Hey guys, so today I am on Animal Jam and I'm not sure if I've done a Animal Jam video on my YouTube channel before, but I have actually done one before, just maybe not on this channel. So anyway, this is my username, Colleen, and this is my little bunny, Queen Berry Lily. And today I'm going to be showing you how you can get gems. As you can see, I'm okay with my gems and I've never been membership, so not bad. So first of all, you can search up on YouTube, which I was going to do a video on how to get code on all the codes, but my recorder crashed down. And then I entered them all. So yeah. So just need to type this in, Animal Jam codes, and then the year. And then, of course, you can see that there is lots and lots and lots to come up. So yeah, that's one way of getting gems. And then another way is, if you land at Crystal Sands or wherever you land, play games. So say Overflow. Yeah, so you don't want to challenge yourself. You want to go for easy so you can get more gems. So yeah, it'll be pretty easy. And then start water. See how many gems I'm getting? So yeah, you can do that as many times as you want. And there's another game as well that I found today. Where is it? Oh! Okay, so it's Double Up, and it's quite fun. I was playing it for quite a while. You just need to find the match in pairs, basically, like that. And my tip is just keep one in your mind that you've already found, and then look for the other pair, the other one. So say this one, this weird bird one. There, so I found it, and there we go. So now let's look for the fox with the granny back. Oh look, there's the bunny. Here's the fox, and then yeah. So 44 gems, and I actually got quite a lot. I got 600 gems, and yeah, it was pretty fun. So yeah, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And you can obviously buy membership, and yeah, I made a video on how you can get free membership before, but I need some subscribers before I do that, because yeah. Okay then, so